to get by. It seems once again I forgot what keeps me safe and dry. Into the weeping window panes that are dripping with dew, I can hear the rain outside falling from the sky, and you can hear the pitter patter on the rooftop. You can listen to the rhythm of the raindrops. I wish that the sun would come instead. This is a so-rainy day.
Growing up, the rain sort of remains on the branches of a tree that will someday rule the earth. That's good that there's rain. Clears them up. Your sorry rainbow expression.